how to buy crypto on Binance P2P Trading and deposit via bank transfer. To buy crypto on Binance P2P Trading, simply open the Binance application and you will see this type of interface. Tap on the wallet option from the bottom right of the screen. Then right over here you can see buy option. Tap on buy and select P2P Trading. Once you select P2P trading, since we want to buy using bank transfer, select any of these crypto that you want to select over here. So currently USDT is selected, but you can choose to any other ones. Then just tap on the buy option that you would be able to find there. All you have to do is right over here, you'll find choose payment option. And once you've entered the amount that you want to, let's say, buy, and all you have to do is just tap on the place order option right here. So once you've done this, you'll be able to just click on this place order button. And once after you've done that, then only you will be able to tap on it in order to buy crypto on Binance P2P. So this way you'll be able to buy crypto on Binance P2P. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.